Hey people, so I have a new program. Let's just make up a function. As we have learned functions, let's make up a function named factors, which accepts a number. Then we'll make a list. Factors equals a list. I think it's allowed. Yeah, it's allowed. That's okay. Okay. Then we'll go around, make up a for loop for I in range. Let's see, do we gotta include 1? I don't think so. It's fine if we don't include 1, although it would make sense to do so. -1 because we do not accept the factor as it is. If the number modulo 1, then we will just append that value our factors list and we return factors. Let's try this. Let's find factors of 6. Nothing happened. Let's see. Oh yeah, we are supposed to print it. Python 3. Okay, so the factors of 6 are 1, 2 and 3. That makes sense. Let's try 10. It's 1, 2 and 5. Okay. 89. There's just 1. Oh, 89 must be a prime number. Okay, let's try 100. It's 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25 and 50. Okay, so far so good. This program works. Okay, let's make up a function is perfect number. Okay, what will this function take? Well, it's going to take a value. Okay, now a perfect number just has to equal, so a perfect number basically is the sum of the numbers, the sum of the factors should equal to the number itself. Okay, so we'll just try to find the factors of this thing. We'll just say stuff. I mean, there shouldn't be a problem. We'll just call it factors again. Nah, let's just see. Stuff equals factors. I will just put this in. Now we should also have a sum equals 0 for I in stuff. I mean, there's no reason for not just doing this directly. Okay. I mean, if it doesn't work, we just go back to the original thing. So I in factor sum equals sum plus I. Now if sum equals to factors of n, then well so that number should be a perfect number. So just print yeah, how about we just keep it simple. We'll just return true. Else return false. Should work in theory. Let's try 6 and oh, I keep on forgetting we have to print. 6 is not a perfect number. Wait, what happened? I'll just print along sum to see 1, 3 and 6. Yes, 6 does equal. Oh, okay. I'm supposed to do this. This should go out and true. Yes, perfect. Done. So we just made a program which tells you if a number is a perfect number or not, based on a function which was known as factors. We'll just collapse it down. We'll do this. Okay, let's now go on for the next function, defined as a perfect number. Now this perfect number function takes, I don't think it should take a minimum value, let's just go with a maximum. And for all I in range, let's see, perfect numbers equals range from 1 to max if is perfect number. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting, we also I don't think so we need to pass that as an argument. We'll just check this. If it works, then perfect number dot append, and we'll just say I. We'll just return the perfect number, and let's try to print this out. Print perfect number. We'll just say, let's find the perfect number is still 10,000. Oh wait, it's taking a bit longer. Okay, that's fair. 28 496 to 8128. Let's just put a minimum function just so we could do our testing. And we'll just say 10,000 to 100,000. Let's see, does it work? So the program right now is checking through every single number, and to be honest, my laptop isn't capable for this. I should have run it on Google's server or something, but right now it's going through every single possible value and finding factors for it, and then going through a test of whether or not it's a perfect number. And if it is a perfect number, then it will append that to the perfect number list. So yeah, it's a pretty complicated program, I won't lie, but the way this program works is I give it a minimum and maximum value which go here, which go to this for loop. So this for loop decides the value of I from this minimum to maximum, which currently is 10,000 to 10,000 to 100,000. So then it checks if is this a perfect number and this I. So where does this function lead to? This function is right here. So we'll just keep the sum as it is for I in factors of n. So we'll run through factors of n. Now what is factors of n? So factors of n are basically the given factors of that specific number, which might be a lot, and this really is a resource intensive task, because in programming the difference between one line could actually change the way your program behaves. So it literally could matter, because going from 100 seconds to 1000 seconds, that's like almost 15 minutes. Like that's a difference of 15 minutes, and you wouldn't want that. Okay, I don't think this is gonna run, so I'm just gonna keep it as it is. I think we could just I believe we could just, yeah, see, it works right now, but going for bigger values, that's gonna take around 5 to 6 seconds. And now, okay, perfect. So any questions, comments, anything, and if you like these style of video, please let me know. I'll keep on making more of these. Thank you and have fun Pythoning.